Hi everyone, my name is Yuxin Fu, and in the FSD104 project, I'm going to introduce the E. coli outbreak caused by the milk pasteurization problem. So first, from the background information, there was a case happened in November 2019. A number of the Shiga toxin E. coli, O157 and H7 infection was caused by the milk pasteurization filter was detected in the England. So in this case, there was a total of the 21 people was detected in the outbreak, which was 11 of them are females and the 12 of either the children or the seniors. The symptom onset the dates ran from the November 1st to November 28 in 2019. 12 patients were treated in hospital and 3 developed in the HUS. And HUS is a term of the complications associated with E. coli infection that caused the kindling filter, which is what we did not want to see in our food products. You can see the outbreak strains found in the cattle, and the business required the milk and cream products to stop the production while the pasteurizer has been repaired, ensured any milk was safe from the consumption. The dairies restart the production and distribution in December 17, 2019. The local authority continued to test milk, and results show the sporadic unsatisfactory level of the interbacteriasis until the March 2020. So it has been 4 months happened in this case. This result point to the poor hygiene or the food handling practice. They're not enough to halt the production or start a recall. Case in the national level of the medicine, the milk sample was collected from the milk while the AHU first inspecting the dairy started on November 21st, 2019. During the unit operation in milk processing, there was total 5 steps of the milk processing. The first step is cleaning and sterilizing the milk operation. To remove all the soil from the surface that contact with the milk, to make sure sterilize the surface by iodine or the chemical sterilizer when connecting with the milk machine to reduce the level of the contaminants. The second step is cooling the milk. So the milk will first flow to the SS piping or the SS button to cooling. So there was a total of 2 hours during the cooling of the milk. The first hour, the temperature will decrease to around 10 degrees Celsius. In the second hour, the temperature will decrease from 10 degrees Celsius to 4.4 degrees Celsius. To use the titular heat exchanger to cool the milk and tank to store. The third step is separation. Separation from fat to remove the microbial cells, spores, and extra nodules with the scent. The fourth step is the milk standardization. Cream and skim milk will mix together addition the prevalently the separate lipid, protein, or solids into a product in precise quantities. The final step is a heat treatment, which is the most important step during the milk processing, to inactivate the methyltrating aspartic microorganism and enzyme with a minimal change to the quality of the milk product, which is a pasteurization. So there was three ways of the pasteurization. The first is the batch process, to at least 30 minutes in 63 degrees or in high temperature but short time, which is negative 72 degrees Celsius for 50 seconds. The second is the ultra pasteurized. It's also to save in the pretty low temperature in 5 seconds, in sterilize the container and clean atmosphere. The second step is the homogenization, to reduce the fat from the global size to prevent the creaming in the milk product. Whiter color milk and the fuller bodied flavor of the mouthfeel. All the milk transportation should be refrigerated in 4 degrees Celsius. So I also include the picture of the raw milk, cold raw milk after 1 hour, and homogenized milk during the storage, the structure. So for the grade A pasteurized milk, the standards for the raw milk, for the pasteurization, the bacterial plate count should be less than 10,000 in each milliliters, and for the grade A pasteurized milk, the bacterial plate count should be less than 20,000 in each milliliters, which is a pretty large decrease from the raw milk to the pasteurized milk after the pasteurization. The result of the epidemiological investigation in this accident, the first need to concern is the environmental concern. There was lack of the inspection required in the farm in the United Kingdom. The first, especially for the experimentation required to ensure the pasteurized is operating in the correct flow rate, and second is the thermogram showing the operating and cleaning temperature is achieved. The second to need to be considered is the mechanical issue. Damaged rubber seal located during the milk farm or during the pasteurization process, which can also happen the contaminate of the raw milk and the pasteurization. This ended filling the bacteria in milk samples because the milk has not been adequately pasteurized or the pasteurized milk has been contaminated with the raw milk. So contamination is the most important thing that the producer and the audit need to take care of on the milk products or the food products.